Most students fail at Carnatic music because they try to glue the leaves onto a tree that has no trunk. They try to master complex oscillations before they can hold a single steady note. Today, we are stopping that cycle. We are using Elon Musk's Semantic Tree principle to strip this 2000-year-old art form down to its first principles so you never feel overwhelmed by its complexity again. Musk says it's important to view knowledge as a sort of semantic tree. Make sure you understand the fundamental principles, the trunk and big branches, before you get into the leaves, or there's nothing for them to hang on to. Today, we are building the semantic tree of Carnatic music from the hidden root to the decorative leaves. Level 1 is the root. This is the invisible source. In our music, this is Shruti, pitch, and Bhava, expression. Without a deep root in your bass pitch, the rest of the tree cannot survive. Every practice session, every song, every performance must begin here. Next is the trunk. These are the hard truths that hold everything up. The 7 Swaras and Laya, rhythm. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Notice the stability. No decorations yet. Just a strong, unbreakable trunk of rhythm and notes. If your trunk is shaky, your music will always feel weak. The main branches grow from the trunk. These are your Varisais. They provide the physical structure for your voice to move. Sa sa re sa sa re sa re sa sa re re ga ga ma ma re re ga re re ga re ga re re ga ga ma ma pa pa. These exercises build the muscle memory you need to climb higher into more complex songs later on. Now, if you want to strengthen these branches, our Learn Carnatic Music channel members get access to exclusive step-by-step practice loops for every Varisai pattern we are building today. It's like having a dedicated gym for your musical trunk. Click the join button below to see the drills. Then come the smaller branches. Theory. Understanding the 72 Melakatas and the 35 Thalams gives your music logic and direction. It's the map that tells you which way your tree is growing. Finally, we have the leaves, the Gamakas, oscillations, and Manodharma, improvisation. This is the beauty everyone sees, the part that makes people go, wow. Na But remember, you cannot hang these leaves on thin air. You must have the trunk of Swara and the branches of Varisai first. So, look at this tree. Are you working on your root, your trunk, or are you ready for leaves? Identify your level and practice there. If you are ready to start building the branches of your tree, our Swara Sadhaka members get exclusive access to our Varnam and Kriti master classes. This is where your foundation becomes real music. Check the description for lessons on each level of the tree. Keep practicing, stay rooted, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.